Hello, I'm Thomas. I'm the number 1 engine, so I have 1 lion on me. Wait, a lion? Oh no! Ah, lion! Get off!
Huh?
There's a lion on me!
Calm down, Thomas. I'll help you.
Okay, Safari Funling.
Hey, lion! Whoa, whoa, whoa! That's it. Come on. Let's go to the safari zone.
Ah, that's better. Thanks, Safari Funling. Hello, I'm Edward, and I'm the number 2 engine, so I'm pulling 2 treasure chests.
There they are, pirate funlings. We need to follow Edward and take those treasure chests for ourselves. Aye, aye, Captain.
I've got to be careful with this treasure. It's very valuable.
It'll be ours soon. Jump! Made it! Okay, now we need to throw the treasure to Captain Funling. I'm over here! Throw me the treasure! Yes, Captain! Ready? Huh? Pirates? You missed me and threw them onto some fish. Here.
Hello, I'm Henry, and I'm the number 3 engine, so I'm pulling 3 fish trucks.
No! Well, that's ruined the treasure then. It's smelly now.
Okay, let's deliver this fish. It is a bit smelly, but I don't mind. Hello, Funling.
Hi, Henry. Those fish trucks have a very strong smell.
Hi, Gordon.
Hello, Henry. Please move away from me with those fish trucks, because I'm Gordon, the number 4 engine. So I'm pulling 4 express coaches. I can't let the smell of fish put off my royal passenger.
You're doing an excellent job, Gordon.
Thank you, King Funling.
Oh, Gordon, stop here. I want to see this.
Hello, Your Majesty.
Oh, look, aquarium trucks. How magnificent.
I'm James, and I'm the number 5 engine, so I'm pulling 5 aquarium trucks. Hehe, this is the best job ever. Who wants to see the aquarium trucks? Be careful with them, James. Those bubbles might get the mail wet and ruin it. I'm Percy, and I'm the number 6 engine, so I'm pulling 6 mail trucks. Let's deliver the mail. This is a lot of mail to deliver. Ah, hello, Wizard Funling. I've got a letter for you.
Why, thank you, Percy. I wonder what it says. It says, look behind you to see 7 colourful trucks. Huh?
Hello, I'm Toby, the number 7 engine, so I'm pulling 7 colourful trucks.
Huh? Oh, I get it.
Let's go up here, trucks. Ooh, you are very heavy. Whee! That's better.
Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo!
Okay, let's stop and see what colours these trucks are. We have a red truck,
A yellow truck, a purple truck, a black truck, a blue truck, a brown truck.
and a green truck. You all look fantastic.
Aw, why thank you, Toby. You look nice too.
Oh, hello, Duck. Hi, Toby. I'm Duck, the number 8 engine, so I'm pulling 8 Thomas Minis. Oh, hold on. I only have 7 minis. That's because I found one in my blue truck.
Got it.
Oh, thank you, Toby. Now I have Salty and Bill, Diesel and Diesel 10, Spencer and Millie, and Rocket and Porter. Okay everyone, let's go! Oh wow, that's a lot of funlings.
Hello!
Hi Donald and Douglas. Hello there, Duck. Hey Douglas, check this out. I'm Donald, and I'm the number 9 engine, so I'm pulling 9 funlings. Hey, I was going to do that. I'm Douglas, and I'm the number 10, so I'm pulling 10 funlings. Haha, I like your idea, Douglas.
Whee!
I like your idea too.
We're off! Yay!
Let's go, funlings.
Yeah! Wait, go where?
I don't know. Where should we go?
To the beach!
Okay then, funlings. Let's all go to the beach.